Hey folks, today I think it'd be good to do a little review on the Honda Talon rear cargo box. Now this seems to be the only one online that's specifically for a Honda Talon, and it fits all models from 2019 right up to 2025. It's pretty cool. It's reasonably priced. I think it's about 200 bucks, and it's made by Rough Country. And I think there's a part number right there, so if you can get that part number. It seems to be the only, as I say, the only box for these things. I've tried different ones. I've had different ones that I've used in the backs of these with varying degrees of success, but this one is made for the spot, and it fits in really nice and snug. When you drop it into place, there's no movement, and it's sort of locked in, but you still bolt it in with 4 bolts in the corners. So there's some bolts in the corners here. If I was going to say anything about this, and the box itself's great. Rough Country, I don't know who they got working for them, but you know what, I put a lift kit in an F-150 the other week from Rough Country, and it fitted straight up. It was really not any issues whatsoever. All the instructions were good, everything bolted up, and it was perfect. And the same thing with this cargo box for the Talon. It looks good. It's got these great catches on here that are lockable, so they have a little cam action on here, and it pulls down like that, and then you can flick them down and put a lock in there. And it's got 2 of these little critters. And look at that, you could lock it. It's also got a seal. Let's just open her back up again. It's got a little measuring thing on here. Don't know how accurate it is, and don't know why it's there, but there is sort of like a specific shape here. So I don't know whether it's to fit a molded gas can or something like that. Don't know. We'll find out later on, I guess. It's got a seal all the way around here. And this is a big thing with these off-road YouTube TVs, especially down here in Mexico. They tend to get dust in pretty much everywhere. That's why I run this dust separator here. Stop clogging the filter straight away, you know. But fits up good, 4 bolts. Now, where the bolts go up, they're just onto the flat plastic, and it's got a dimple in the floor, so you got to be careful not to tighten these down too much, or you're just going to keep pulling down on the floor. They say something like 15 Newton meters, which is nearly nothing. So just when you've taken the bolts up just enough that the floor is starting to get a little bit of a dimple in it, just stop tightening them up. Now when I went to remove these bolts, it comes with new supplied longer bolts, but when you remove the factory Honda bolts, they have a Allen head in them, and if you don't get it the first try to undo them, they can strip out really quickly. And I found that one of mine was tight and it stripped out, so I had to do the old weld a nut onto it job. They're not used again, but still, just be careful. Just make sure you're using the right Allen key, and just go really gentle trying to undo it and pull them out. But yeah, pretty simple thing, reasonably priced, fits up great, it looks good, and stops all your shit falling out, and keeps it sealed up. Highly recommended.